Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I draw this say letter logo. 1, 2, 3, 4 step. So new page. Select this line tool. Shift drag line tool. Okay. Move tool. Shift plus Control plus Alter. Copy. Control D for duplicate. Control D, Control D, Control D. 6 line tool. So okay. Select this rectangle, round rectangle, just okay. Select this line tool, okay. Control plus Alter. Select Control Alter, just copy, okay. Arrow button left, okay. Select this round rectangle, okay. Shift Alter, just okay. Again round rectangle, Shift plus Alter drag, okay. Again round rectangle, just okay. Again round rectangle, Shift plus Alter, drag some this line tool equal again round rectangle, Shift plus Alter, okay. 6 round tool, 6 round rectangle tool, okay. Select just now, that's okay. Select 6 rectangle tool, group, again Control Alter D copy, that's now okay. Select line tool again, line tool, Shift drag, that's one line, okay. Control plus Alter, let's copy, and again Control plus Alter, let's copy, Control plus Alter drag, let's copy, okay. That's again round rectangle tool, Shift plus Alter just now, okay. Selection tool, Control plus Alter for copy, that's now okay. Just okay. Select all, step 1 complete. Shape builder tools, that's black color, select, okay. Mouse left button, drag and just draw this shape, okay. Draw the shape any place, okay. zoom in and zoom out. For select this shape tool. Oh, so sorry, just one mistake. Okay, select tool, this round rectangle tools, shift alter to copy. That's now okay, that's it. Alright, again all select, shape builder tool, color, black color, select. Okay, let's now again draw the shape. That's okay, some few place. Let's easily draw this shape. Okay, complete this second step. Select and Ctrl plus Alter. Place now. Okay, and select line tool and delete. Okay, complete third step, and finally color match. Okay, just now that is colored and the stock color none. Okay, finally complete this C category logo. So easily C category logo complete 4 steps. Thank you for my watching. Please subscribe my channel.